Local news for Thursday the 8th of December. The Carterton Event Centre are finalists for the Ticketmaster Small Venue of the Year at the EVANZ Awards 2018. It's the second time in the past 3 years that the Carterton Event Centre are one of 3 finalists in the New Zealand Small Venue of the Year award category. The winners will be announced at a special dinner at Eden Park in Auckland on Tuesday the 27th of November. The South Wairarapa public pools will be opening once again for the summer, with Featherston, Greytown and Martinborough set to open on the 1st of December and remain open through until about mid-March. And the Armistice Day Centenary takes place Sunday with the Featherston Cenotaph on Fox Street, commemorating the 100th anniversary of the World War I Armistice and remembering those Kiwis who served and never made it home. The service begins just before 11 a.m. And in sport, the Club Rugby Sevens are all set for Saturday, with 6 of the 8 Premier clubs taking part. And the first game kicks off at 9:30 with Martinborough up against Gladstone.